Sorry, I'm muted. And firewall, what is the requirement for firewall? Firewall is a layer 4 device or layer 3. Here will deny the traffic, will permit the traffic. We'll discuss. We have a session on this also. Firewall and server and WLC. We have a sessions. Wire connectivity for fiber optic wires will use Ethernet. Wires will use in our labs. I will explain those things. Okay, and this is our local area LAN set, LAN to LAN communication. This is one LAN 1, and LAN 1 wants to communicate a different location LAN 2. That is that time we need a WAN connectivity, wide area network. Ravali, can you explain the what is the definition of LAN?
Local area network.
Good. The requirement of LAN. What is the requirement for LAN? See, you have a multiple PCs at location. You have multiple PCs at one location. I'll show you in the lab. It's better on to understand everything. Like you have a some PCs here, PC1, PC2, PC0, PC3. Okay, they are connected like we have two types of connectivity here mainly. Uh, Crossover and straight cable. In straight cable, in the sense, will use a different devices like straight cable will use it. If you want to communicate a different device, that time you should have to use straight cable. If you want to communicate the same device, that time you should have to use, if you want to communicate switch to switch, that time we need a crossover cable. This is the crossover cable. Same devices will communicate with the help of crossover cable, and different devices will communicate with the help of straight cable. Any doubts? For connectivity purpose, we'll use wires likewise. Okay, what is the requirement for the networking? Have you anyone got any doubts? What is the requirement? Okay, good, everything is fine. When the networking came in picture, anyone got the doubt? Okay, till up to here, good. We are communicating every device. In 19, I think in 1980s, in 1980s and 1970s, we don't have a network, right? We have a network earlier and our childhood also, not yours, my childhood. I don't have. I have a network like small Nokia mobiles that time. In your childhood also, you saw. I think that speed also in not much poor, only kbps speed. Understood. That time network reliability not that much in 1980s also. I'm the 1990 kid. Okay, that time I haven't seen. Understood. How the network came in picture? Anyone knows the story? The story behind the network. That also in American defense, they wants to communicate in same branch. They have two different PCs. In this PC, they have some information like they have some files. Okay. In web browser, or they have some files like uh, whichever doc file or images files. Those they want to share with other PC. Like here, person want to communicate, he want to share some uh, information to this PC. That time we have like pen drives, USB. With the help of USB, he can share easily. Just he plug in that USB to this system, then copy, paste, Control C, Control paste on this Control paste. Then he'll transfer the information. But if different floor, he's been sit in different floor, it is possible he sit at a different floor. He wants to come, he take a pen drive and he came and he wants to take information and he will go back. It's time consumption. Okay, that time what they plan, just will take one connectivity likewise, and different floor also, floor want to floor two likewise. Okay, they will easily communicate floor three also. That time what they involve, defense, just connectivity will be happen likewise direct, with the help of RJ45 connectivity. Just given the IP address of this PC, like 192.168.1.1, same network. And for this PC, they have given likewise IP address 192.168.1.2. Just they share the information. Now try to ping for that PC 1.1. It's pinging. Likewise, they are communicate at one location. This is our land, same building. Okay, now this defense organization will, and they started to likewise the technology of networking. After then, some ISP guys, service provider involved in this. This tech services they only use till 1 2 year. After then, they will sold like they will sell like up to other persons. They have different location also, like in same like they have like a different location like New York to some other location. Then they taken the service from the switches like different location. They introduce their service to ISP guys. They sell to service like ISP. Then ISP was involved in this. They are planning to one location to other location. The data will be transferred after then. Okay, that time kbps. After then, it will be moved to the mbps. After then, nowadays services like gbps. This is the network flow will be happen, and they'll communicate one location to other location. Now will one geographical location to other geographical location. How the data will be flow, we'll check here with the help of submarines. Our submarine cables, see, this is our India location. Here, these all are the cable connectivity like submarines. The in sea, the cable will be happen likewise. These all are the optical cables, optical fiber cable. It will be like very width is like our air. Likewise, the will be happen. It will be signal will be like electric signal. The signal will be fiber. This kind of fiber cables. It will be happen likewise. All over the world, the submarine cables will be happen. Tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3 companies will be happen, like AT&T is like a tier 1 company, and coming to Geo, Airtel, this kind of like tier 2 company. Geo is like tier 2 companies. They have taken from the service from AT&T, this kind of big organizations. Now Geo will be give to the some local guys, that is tier 3 companies, and where we are getting from tier act fiber, this kind of all are the tier 3 companies will get the our services like internet services from there. We are using now one location to other location, we can communicate easily. Any doubts up to here? Our physical connectivity, we will discuss now lab, basic lab. I'm showing here basic lab, the how switch will work. This is switch device. This is our lab. Just give the IP address here, 192.168, 1.1. Same LAN switch will work within a network, and switch will maintain switching table. Try to ping 1.1 and check the ARC table. If I am connectivity is like with the help of ARC minus A, will get the MAC table of this. This PC MAC address is this one, and switch will maintain the MAC table. Anyway, we'll discuss our lab also, how many modes we have, how to configure for our lab introduction part. Next we'll do. So MAC address table. See, check here. PC1 is connected to this port F0 by 0 by 1. F0 by 1 MAC address is this one, and F0 by 2 switch is maintaining the MAC table. Understood? What my concern is, like switch, which table switch is maintaining, that I want to show. No need to assign any IP addresses because of it's a layer 2 device. Guys, any doubts up to here? Now where we are? No. Good. Apart from that firewall, we'll discuss that. And WLC, I'll show you the basic labs for this WLC and access points Wi-Fi. When we discuss about WLC, wireless controller, we'll discuss that time. And just now we discuss about wire concept also. Daily our classes will discuss mainly router switches, layer 2 switches also is there, layer 3 switches also will discuss. Okay, and our lab is this Cisco packet tracer. Try to download it. If you are not able to download, just go to Google, just type Cisco packet tracer and you will get the links. There, just register it. If you are not able to, we'll discuss. Just try to download this lab, Cisco packet tracer. Okay, everyone. If you have any doubts, we'll discuss. Otherwise, we'll end up the class. And tomorrow, same time, please join everyone.
Okay, Ali.
Good. How was the class?
Good.
Good.
Good. Thank you. Okay, then we'll end up now. I'm stopped. And your recording will be daily. You will get. We'll discuss about. Okay.
Yeah.
Fine.
Thank you.